What is that burning smell in my car? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So if you have a burning odor in your vehicle, typically it's going to be from one of two things. Either it's going to be an electrical component that's overheating, typically wiring or connection, or it's going to be a fluid leak that would be from like your power steering, engine, transmission, all kinds of stuff out there that can possibly leak onto something warm, and then that makes the burning smell. So if you have an electrical odor, typically on the inside of the car, the most common problem would be from the connections at the blower motor. And the reason that is that the blower motor, that blower that blows the air on your face from your heating and air conditioning, that requires a lot of amperage. And so when you start to have connection problems for that, you can get that. The other places you could have possibly under the hood from electrical smells, if you were to have a problem with the alternator, sometimes that could do it. Also, if you had to run the starter too much because the car wasn't wanting to start, then you could create an issue out there where you overheat some electrical things. So that's the electrical side of it. On the fluid side of it, if you have, most people would describe if you had a radiator fluid, coolant, antifreeze, whatever you want to call it, if that's leaking onto something, most people would describe that as kind of a sweet odor. Otherwise, if you have just a general oil type smell, maybe like in the kitchen, if I get some oil too hot in a pan or something like that, that could be engine oil. It could be power steering fluid. It could be transmission fluid. All of those things can cause these burning smells, and typically those won't happen until you've driven for a little bit and your engine warms up. Then the last thing is we could have a little bit from the air conditioning. If we have a leak, there's some oils and dyes in the air conditioning system. And quite frankly, I am not 100% sure how to describe that odor, but it is very unique. And sometimes it may happen when you first turn the air conditioning on, and then it'll go away. Also, that sweet smell that we talked about a minute ago, if you smell that through your vents, that could be the heater core inside your car that's leaking. So I hope this has been informational to you, and I hope you aren't struggling with any unusual odors in your car. Until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.